Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program on business ethics and corporate social responsibility. On chapter 6, the direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. Which response to corporate social responsibility is characterized by high acceptance and a social mission without the intention of making a profit? A. Corporate social responsibility recognition or embraces. B. Social enterprise mixed return. C. Social enterprise social return. D. Cautious corporate social responsibility adapter. The answer for this question is C. Social enterprise social return. Question number 2. What term describes corporations that are not serious about corporate social responsibility but feel they should respond often due to external pressure? A. Amoral. B. Anti-corporate social responsibility. C. Tokenism or greenwash. D. Unknown. The answer for this question is tokenism or greenwash. C. Question number 3. The phrase doing well by doing good is associated with which corporate social responsibility response? A. Corporate social responsibility recognition or embraces. B. Social enterprise mixed return. C. Tokenism. D. Amoral. The answer for this question is B. Social enterprise mixed return. Question number 4. Which of the following best distinguishes corporate philanthropy from corporate social responsibility? A. Corporate social responsibility includes philanthropy as one component. B. Philanthropy is mandatory. Corporate social responsibility is voluntary. C. Corporate social responsibility only involves financial contributions. D. Philanthropy focuses on profit maximization. The answer for this question is A. Corporate social responsibility include philanthropy as one component. Question number 5. If a company wanted to improve employees' skills while boosting its local reputation, which type of corporate philanthropy should it emphasize? A. Workplace giving. B. Gift matching. C. Corporate volunteers. D. Grants. The answer for this question is C. Corporate volunteering. Question number 6. A corporation provides free beverage at a charity run in exchange for logo placement. This is an example of dash. A. Financial sponsorship. B. Media sponsorship. C. In-kind sponsorship. D. Product sponsorship. The answer for this question is D. Product sponsorship. Question number 7. How does a social enterprise mixed return differ from a social enterprise social return? A. Mixed return seeks no profit, social return seeks profit. B. Mixed return reinvests all profits, social return donates all profit. C. Mixed return aim for profit while supporting social causes, social return do not aim for profit. D. Mixed return is required by law, social return is voluntary. The answer for this question is C. Mixed return aim for profit while supporting social causes. Social return do not aim for profit. Question number 8. Which of the following is a key difference between corporate sponsorship and corporate donation? A. Sponsorship is always financial, donation is always in kind. B. Sponsorship benefits both parties, donation is one way. C. Donation requires legal contract, sponsorship doesn't require. D. Sponsorship is only for non-profit, donation are for profit. The answer for this question is D. Sponsorship benefits both parties, donation is one way. Question number 9. Which corporate social responsibility response is most likely to be criticized by NGOs for being insincere or superficial? A. Social enterprise, social return. B. Corporate social responsibility, recognition or embraces. C. Tokenism or greenwash. D. Caution, corporate social responsibility adapter. The answer for this question is C. Tokenism or greenwashing. Question number 10. A company with a strong corporate social responsibility program experiences a product recall crisis. Why might its reputation recover more quickly than a company without a corporate social responsibility program? A. Corporate social responsibility program reduces production costs. B. Corporate social responsibility builds trust and goodwill with stakeholders. C. Corporate social responsibility eliminates all legal liabilities. D. Corporate social responsibility ensures high profit margin during crisis. The answer for this question is B. Corporate social responsibility builds trust and goodwill with stakeholders. Question number 11. If a company wanted to start a corporate social responsibility program, which one of the following should be the first step? A. Establish metrics for measurement. B. Get executive buy-in. C. Define corporate social responsibility. D. Explore opportunities relevant to mission. The answer for this question is C. Define corporate social responsibility. Question number 12. Which element would be most important to include in a social audit report to ensure credibility? A. A list of executives' salaries. B. A detailed corrective action plan. C. Marketing strategies for next year. D. Competitor analysis. The answer for this question is B. A detailed corrective action plan. Question number 13. What is the main purpose of corporate voluntarism? A. To maximize shareholders' profit. B. To replace financial donations. C. To give employees time and talent to community organization. D. To avoid taxation. The answer for this question is C. To give employees time and talent to community organizations. Question number 14. Who is recognized as the originator of the social audit concept in the 1940s? A. Howard R. Bowne. B. Milton Friedman. C. Theodore J. Cripps. D. Peter Drucker. The answer for this question is C. Theodore J. Cripps. Question number 15. How does corporate reputation differ from corporate image? A. Reputation is temporary, image is enduring. B. Reputation is about perception, image is about advertising. C. Image is based on characteristic, reputation is based on publicity. D. Reputation is an intangible asset, image is a tangible one. The answer for this question is B. Reputation is about perception, image is about advertising. Question number 16. What is the primary focus of social venture philanthropy? A. Maximizing financial returns. B. Generate social returns through high engagement investment. C. Reducing tax liabilities. D. Replacing government funding. The answer for this question is B. Generating social returns through high engagement investment. Question number 17. A company wanted to align its giving with corporate values while creating meaningful relationship with recipients. Which philanthropy approach should it use? A. Workplace giving. B. Gift matching. C. Grants. D. Corporate foundations. The answer for this question is C. Grants. Question number 18. Which type of social audit would assess the image of a company's operations on local air and water quality? A. Economic audit. B. Environmental audit. C. Human rights audit. D. Contract audit. The answer for this question is B. Environmental audit. Question number 19. Why may small business fall under the unknown category in corporate social responsibility response? A. They are always anti-corporate social responsibility. B. They lack resource for feasible corporate social responsibility initiatives. C. They are required by law to hide corporate social responsibility activities. D. They focus only on profit maximization. The answer for this question is B. They lack resources for feasible corporate social responsibility initiatives. Question number 20. What is a key risk for corporations that choose an immoral response to corporate social responsibility? A. Increased media coverage. B. Loss of stakeholders' trust and potential crisis. C. Higher tax benefits. D. Automatic legal compliance. The answer for this question is B. Loss of stakeholders' trust and potential crisis. Question number 21. Which benefit of corporate philanthropy is most directly linked to long-term business success? A. Tax benefits. B. Employee volunteer hours. C. Improved brand loyalty. D. Media coverage. The answer for this question is C. Improved brand loyalty. Question number 22. If a social audit reveals significant gaps between a company's corporate social responsibility goal and actual performance. What should be the company's priority? A. Increase advertising budget. B. Reduce corporate social responsibility spending. C. Develop a corrective action plan. D. Ignore the gap if profits are high. The answer for this question is C. Develop a corrective action plan. Question number 23. When planning a corporate social responsibility program, which step ensures the initiative align with the company's core mission?
A. Define corporate social responsibility. B. Explore unique opportunities relevant to mission. C. Establish baseline. D. Stay connected with corporate social responsibility community.
The answer for this question is B. Explore unique opportunities relevant to missions. Question number 24. In a social audit report, which section would most likely include recommendations for improvement? A. Auditor's responsibility. B. Basis for opinion. C. Signatures. D. Other reporting responsibilities. The answer for this question is D. Other reporting responsibility. Question number 25. According to the corporate social responsibility concepts, which of the following is a driver of corporate reputation? A. Stock price volatility. B. Ethical conduct. C. Number of subsidiaries. D. CEO's personal wealth. The answer for this question is B. Ethical conduct. Okay, this is all about today's presentation. Thank you for attending this program.